go. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to travel with your firearm. If you're traveling with your firearm, I am proud of you. The acronym EDC is everyday carry. In church, in Walmart, running to the gas station, you always want to have your firearm with you, and that includes when you're traveling in and out of the state. I'm going to make this real simple. I'm going to start with small, medium, large. All right, cool. So whenever you're traveling and you have your firearm, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your firearm is clear. Most people are going to have a case like this. So this is my Glock case, okay? I have one pistol with an empty magazine. I have another empty magazine. And then you have two ways to carry ammo. You can get an ammo box, or you have option 2 to just throw them in a plastic bag. Now the rule of thumb is whenever you're traveling with the firearm, if you have a case like this, it needs to be locked. Then it needs to go in another bag that is also locked. That bag can be your suitcase or a book bag. But you need to invest in some locks. I have locks galore. TSA locks and your regular gun locks. So I'm going to show you what to do. I'm going to take my regular gun lock and I'm going to wrap this around 2 times. I'm traveling light, which means I'm only going to be checking in a book bag. So what do I do next? Lock your box, put your box in your bag, and then you're also going to lock the compartment that this firearm is in. All right, so this is a Pelican case. I have 3 pistols in here. It's better to travel with a Pelican case because the Pelican case is going to protect your items, okay? You're going to put your locks on here, and you're going to lock this up. Pelican cases are the way to go. My firearms are always going to be okay. So the only time that you aren't going to put your firearm case in another bag is if you have a big case like this, okay? So we're going to open up this Pelican case. We have a full-size pistol, Glock 20, 10mm. We have some magazines. We have an AR pistol lower. And we have the AR pistol upper with the red dot. Nothing's going to change with how we secure this. We're going to close it. Put our locks on here. And this one is good to go. You're going to take this to the counter, tell them you're checking a firearm. Sometimes you have to unlock it to show them. After you show them, you're going to put a slip in here to say that it's yours, where you're going, and this is going to get checked in. When you get to the airport, you're going to walk up to check your bag in, whether you have a bag like this or you have one Pelican case. They're going to ask to see it, and they're going to ask if it's unloaded, okay? Do not pick the firearm up and show them that it's unloaded. Just confirm with them, yes, it's unloaded, and if it's not unloaded, you will pay the consequence later. They're going to give you a card to sign. You're going to put that card in there, and you're going to lock it. You're going to use regular locks like these, or you're going to use the TSA locks. I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen a firearm come without a lock unless I bought it secondhand.